What's going on, everybody? It's AJ from Joe's GE. I'm here to teach you how to format your hard drive and set up a new hard drive for your Xbox. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first thing you're going to need to do is to download the script. So I left a link down in the description for the script. So you're just going to open it up. It'll open you to this. You can go ahead and read all about it you want, but I'm not going to read about it. I'm just going to download it like a smart guy. And then we're going to go ahead and open it. Close this. Go ahead and double click this, and then depending on if you're on Linux or Windows, you're going to extract the appropriate one. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to extract it there. I already have a folder set up on my desktop for the script, so I'm going to go ahead and download it there, or extract it to there. All right, we'll close those. Now we're here. All right, we're going to double click this. We're going to select this, create Xbox drive.bat. Right click it, run it as administrator. A window will pop up, just say yes. I know you guys can't see it, but then it will run this super intimidating script that looks like you're hacking into NASA, but it's super simple and easy. Just gonna go ahead and follow the steps here. So you're going to select A for this one, unless you want to do any of these other options, but I only ever do A. And then it's gonna show you the disks that you have installed into your computer. So these two are my personal ones, and this one is the one we want to format. So I want to make sure not to accidentally format a personal one. This is what it's going to do, create these partitions. I'm just going to go ahead and say yes. And then we're going to choose our size. So if you're formatting a 500 gig, you're going to hit A terabyte, B, and a 2 terabyte hard drive will be the C option. We're doing a terabyte, so we're going to go ahead and hit B, enter. And then it will run the script. And so long as you see blue, everything's working well. And then you're just going to sit back and relax for about 10 seconds. And if you guys have any questions about the script, please feel free to ask it in the comment section below. All right, it looks like it's worked. It's going to bother you about all the partitions you just created, celebrating with you. All right, I'm just going to press any key to end the script. And to make sure that it worked, you're going to open up, you'll go here, you go to this PC, you'll scroll down, and you'll see these 5 partitions. This is actually all one hard drive, just partitioned and labeled differently, so the Xbox knows how to read it. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and just put the hard drive into your Xbox. We have a video on that. And then you're going to perform an offline update. We also have a video on that, so both of those links will be down in the description. And then once you've done all that, you're ready to game, and you're going to have a phenomenal time with the boys or girls or whoever. All right, and if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave in the comments section below. We will be answering all your questions. This has been AJ with Joe's GE. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Peace out.